How to set up synchronization in RetailManager Multistore. Follow these steps to configure data synchronization in RetailManager Multistore. In Web Store Manager, go to Settings, Setup, Multistore, Synchronization. Set Auto Synchronization Frequency. Select how often you want auto synchronization to occur. Set Synchronization Order, optional. Choose your synchronization order if you're integrating with third-party platforms like Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, etc. The lowest number has the highest priority. For example, set Shopify equals 1, eBay equals 2, etc. Please note, this step is only required if you're using integrations and need to control which platform syncs first. Enable stock list caching. Tick Cache Shop Front Stock List when syncing. This helps speed up the synchronization process. Click Save to apply your synchronization preferences. To run the initial synchronization, go to the Synchronize section and click Synchronize Now to push the latest data to your storage location. This prepares the data for reporting and central access across all stores.